Afternoon Soul here, opening the Skeledirge TCG box now that retails for $26.99 at your local Target. Letting you know, Skeledirge is my least favorite. The only issue I have with the design is the little bird. I wish it was like a big phoenix that was like all over its head. That would have been cooler. And the face like throws me off a little bit. It's not a bad design like other Pokemon have been. It's just not my favorite. Like before, we'll get 5 packs. My favorite is Quackleval, of course. It's somewhat based on my favorite animal, or one of my favorite animals, and one of my favorite birds alone, the peacock. Skeledirge. In fact, I actually ordered a Quackleval and Maxwell plushie, and they should be here too. I think it's I think tomorrow. And then my Squishmallows of Peplup and Winking Pikachu should be here. I want to say Wednesday. Alright, here's Skeledirge's card. It's got. I really like the art though. It's just not my favorite of the starters, unfortunately. My favorite goes Quackleval, then Masquerade, and then Skeledirge's my least favorite. I don't know. I just feel like I like Clock Clocklore is not terrible. I just thought it evolving with a nest would be a bigger bird and not this tiny little one. Oh. And then here's the code card so you can get Skeledirge online. Because I don't use them. So we've got Steam Flame again. Steam Flame. Skyline Violet base set. Silver Tempest. And Astral Radiance. So we got some different art. So it looks like we got River of Room. We got Dragonite. We got Gyarados. Regieleki, and then Hisuian Typhlosion. Of course, in my least favorite Paldean, when we get my least favorite Hisuian form. I'm sorry to the Typhlosion fans. I just find Hisuian Typhlosion boring. My favorite is Hisuian. Decidueye. Which is ironic because I usually pick water types. It literally took me for years until we got Hisuian Decidueye to not have me hate Rowlet anymore. So I always found Rowlet ugly, but I adore it now because I like Hisuian Decidueye, which one day I will shiny hunt. Still looking for the. I really want Dust Form Lycanroc shiny, and last night I got one, but it was midnight, which is okay. It means I got 2 of the 3 forms. Alright. So we're gonna do it left from. So we'll do it like last time. Go from Obsidian Flame, and then we'll end on Astral Radiance. We're gonna open River Rooms pack first. The first Poison Steel type, fun fact too. Which is a really good type because it's only weak to fire and 4 times take the ground. Wish me luck. Man, these packs are putting up a fight today. Let me don't forget to show these TCG code because I do not personally use them. I don't play the game and I couldn't tell you how. Dratini, Oddish, Finizen, our first dolphin Pokemon, which makes me super happy. At first, I didn't like the superhero form of Palafin, but I love it now. Herdier, and there's a plushie, and I want it so bad. Herdier, Sharpedo, Espeon, Boltsoul, Eldegoss. Oh, cute little Lechonk art. And then Togekiss, which I think I got in the Echo Vault 10. And then my favorite type, Water Energy. I really like that Lechonk art. It's super cute. He ate and then passed out. Super cute. Let me know your favorite card in this pack. Right, so far, one pack down and we're doing good. I can't wait for them to get more Pokemon plushies out. I can buy them. But I got Quaxwell and Quackable because it's my favorite. And I have like, I want to say, I have 3 Quaxwell plushies. One from I got from, I don't know. I think one was from Pokemon Center. One was from my friend who went to the Nintendo store in New York City for the Christmas one, and then I got and then I got another Quaxley plushie from my local anime store. It's called Hammer Girl. It's like the only anime store around, so for some reason this pack just doesn't want to go. Alright. Into Obsidian Flames. With Dragonite. Which I like Dragonite. I know some people don't. But I do. Man, these packs are not liking me today. Just don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know your favorite Paldean starter. Ooh. Here's the TCG code. So we got Pawniard. We got Lillipup, super cute. I miss you, lady. Brawler. The Fairy. Thunderous. My favorite evolution, Umbrea. Poppy, super cute. Great. She's like, it's funny, but she's like, you wouldn't expect a kid to be an Elite Four member. So I guess anything's possible in Pokemon. Weasel, Toxel. Yo! A full art EX Absol. That looks sick. I'm sad that they didn't make Absol's Mega Fairy type and then Grass type energy. Man, that card is beautiful. Wow. I like it a lot. Wow. So I'd say we're doing good. I literally almost forgot to take a picture like I do. So I like to show everyone how my pulls go. It's not really good, but I think we're doing good today, honestly. That Absol card is really amazing. Two packs down, we got 3 more to go. And I'd say we're doing pretty well for this Skeledirge. I think we're doing better for Skeledirge than Masquerada, but that's just my opinion. Alright, we got Scarlet Violet base set with Gyarados wearing the Terror Crown of Water. My favorite Terror Crown. I don't know how to feel about Crystallizing. I know I adore it. I mean, Mega Evolution will always have my heart, but I think Crystallizing will be my second favorite. I can't wait to learn more about it, and it's like origins in the Indigo Disc. Here's a TCG code. So we got Starly, got Clauncher, Dolliv, super cute. Which I still need to get a Smoliv plushie, but a Dolliv plushie would be cute too. Oh, speaking of Quaxly, Quaxly, so cute. Toxtricity, really cool Pokemon. Mousehold. Hey, and a Skeledirge tin, we get a Croclore. Evolution of Fuecoco. Magneton. We shop it. Oh, wow. My list 10 is giving me luck today. My least favorite Paldean started and giving me luck. Toxicroak looks amazing. Fun fact, it was like one of the first megas I got commissioned too. Like ever. And then a fire type energy. But yeah, that Toxicroak is really cool. Let me know down below your thoughts on the Toxicroak because I love it. 3 packs and we're doing so good today. My luck is usually not this good. But I think we're doing good for Skeledirge, which is ironic. Alright, 2 more packs to go. We got Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance. We're gonna go Silver Tempest, Astral Radiance. And then we'll recap of what I pulled today, which I'm happy. Oh my god, I think it's 10 likes me today. I think I just saw something else while opening this. There's another TCG code. Yeah, I think I see something else. Skeledirge, you're doing good. Never thought I would say that. Indeedy, super cute. Who I think I know it's supposed to be like I think it's supposed to be like the Chansey of Galar, but I think it should have an evolution. Yeah, I see something else. Oh my god. This dinner's loving me. Marini, Mischievous, Swablu, Swirlix. Wow. Another Indeedee. Oh, wow. A Mawile V-Star. No idea, but the art looks so cool. Man, Skeledirge, you're doing something, right? Fire Energy. Fairy, first score girl, I don't know. Wapani, and then a Quad Stone. I don't know really much about the Pokemon TCG, honestly. I really collect it for like these cards because I think they look nice. 4 packs, and I say we're doing really good. 4 for 4, honestly. How? I do not know. I heard the trick is if the heavier the, like, I don't know if it's true, but the heavier the tin or box or whatever, the better pulls you get. I don't know if that's true. Probably not. Oh, it's like yarn around it. My mom would love this. My mom's addicted to yarning. Also, and what else are you addicted to? Nutcrackers. Alright, on to the final pack. See if will we go 5 for 5 or will this be a dud? I cannot believe we've gotten amazing pulls in this 10. I never thought I would. I kept my expectations low. I was just saying, don't. You gotta be kidding me. I think I got something good again. Just didn't like me. Could be wrong. Okay, here's the final TCG code of the video. I could have been seeing it wrong, but if I got another good pack, oh boy. Amazing. Swine Up, Suing Clofish. Fun fact, I just got a random shiny one in my Legends playthrough. Petalil, Nickit, who's super cute. Papatas. Whoa. Speaking of shiny, I just got a shiny Huglucha. Which, hey, I got in Violet too. From, I think it was from a fighting sandwich. Came in. Aw, so cute. I prefer its other form though. Water Energy, good typing. Dark Patch, Bisharp, and Shrieking Shoes, which kind of give me the colors of Cinderace a little bit, which I am not mad about. Wow, that Radiant Hawlucha looks amazing. So I'd say a pretty good pull too. So I'd say we did good for this 10 today, which I'm honestly shocked about. Which I'm not mad about either, so. Yes. Let's recap of what we got today in this Skeledirge 10. We got Radiant Hawlucha, so Shiny Hawlucha. Oh, let me turn the light back on. Sorry, I forgot to turn the light back on. Radiant Hawlucha, Shiny Hawlucha. It's hard to, I think it's hard to see with all the glowing. Mawile V-Star, which looks absolutely adorable. Toxicroak EX, which I adore. And it looks like a full art Absol EX, which I love as well. Cute little Lechonk. And then, of course, we got the Skeledirge. Let me know out of these 5 your favorite. So just don't forget to like and subscribe and have a good rest of your day. Soul